first nilisikia firimbi. Suddenly everything seemed to stop for a moment and I was like, hey, what's happening? Like all of a sudden the world has just come to a standstill. There we go, people stopping there. Bye, see you guys. I'll miss you. Hey, what's up guys? Sini karibuni and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiro Wadome. Now you guys, today is the day that the Lord has made, and so we should rejoice and be glad in it. I normally say, if you can breathe, if you can see, like clearly you can see, just thank God, you know. So let us rejoice and be glad in this day, in this world, in this moment, because you know what, many would have wanted to see it but they didn't see it. Karibu sana to this channel where we do life in the most positive way possible. The last time you people saw me was when I was in India. Sema kazi, kuchapa kazi. We are not even joking. Like, hey, is you reach and you go back. Yeah, so right now I'm in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Karibuni. Yes. Hey, what's up guys? Karibuni to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. When you see this, you know you're in Africa. By the way guys, did you know that Dar es Salaam, okay, Tanzania in general has got one of the best cashew nuts? I thought you should know. Yes, they have got one of the best in the world, and it's so affordable if you buy them direct from Tanzania. So on our way to the hotel, you guys, maendeleo, look at the roads. Guys, did you even know that they're having an electric metro coming up soon? Kenya, where are we? Tuko wapi? Yeah. But just saying. Welcome. The struggle is real right there. So welcome to my room guys, and a quick room tour, okay? Tanzania, and we are going to be spending the day today in Tanzania. Probably go out, just around, hang around. You stay with me along. Now, I'm taking this time to welcome you. If this is your first time here, karibu sana. Let me say, our channel has got so many different segments. Yeah, we do have Hustles at Dubai, your most favorite, yeah, where we come together, sit down, hear people's stories, hear their experiences, and what you can learn. Kimbia, nayo, like don't even wait. What you can learn, run with it. We also have the Chronicles of a Flying Mom, and this is where I do my, where I just take you with me to work or to wherever I'm going, yeah. And that is how we are here in Dar es Salaam, and I hope you're going to enjoy this one too, yeah. And we do life just in the most positive way. That's it. That's just it. It's all about life here and all positive vibes, okay? And so now this takes me straight on to what we are doing today in Dar es Salaam. First, I was sent to come and buy some dairy chocolates. Apparently this one's from Tanzania, are very, very nice, yeah. And then on this vlog I'm going to take you to this action that happens here at 6 p.m. What happens here is my friend, a short story. I was here like maybe some few years ago, and I was just in the streets, yeah, walking, and it was around this time, actually around 5, just about 6. Wase, I'm here with my bag. Nimekimbia. Let me show you. Where is my bag? See me, yeah? Nimetembea. And then all of a sudden, as I'm walking close to the hotel, I see everybody has stopped. First, nilisikia firimbi. You know, in Dubai, you'll always all the time. Because you know what? When people are crossing, zebra crossing and all that, you'll always see people, making the firimbi. What is firimbi in English? Guys, what is firimbi in English? Whistle. Yeah. So I just had a whistle. I didn't think because I was not crossing any road anywhere. I was just walking along the hotel, place. And then I just look at people. Here, I'm walking. I saw people are standing, like everybody. And I looked, all of a sudden, everything seemed to stop for a moment. And I was like, hey, what's happening? Like, all of a sudden, the world has just come to a standstill. Everybody was standing. And before they could even look who is that walking, I was already in a hotel. Guys, I'm taking you right there now. In fact, I'm timing for 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, ikifika hivi, we go and remove that flag, because this is something that happens it used to happen in Kenya as well. I don't know if you people have this in your country. Probably African countries might be able to relate with this one. I don't know. I really don't know where this style came from. But yes, they still do it here in Tanzania and in Dar es Salaam. So we're going to experience that. I can't wait to take you guys there, because man, it's like traveling back to how many years back? The Moi era. Probably the most young people don't know this, especially those who follow me from Kenya. The new generation, labda hamjui hii, but hey, abu you wait and see how things used to happen during the Moi era. Hey, firimbi, you better stop, otherwise things are going to go where hautajua umeshikiwa wapi. Yeah, so we're going to do that, and we're also going to get somewhere to eat. I have a colleague of mine. We're traveling together. Probably if she's okay, if she's comfortable, we're going to be showing her. We're going to be with her. Yeah, but let's enjoy Dar es Salaam. Okay. And the flag. That's what they look. So here. Hey, what's up, guys? So we are out here. Tumefika hapa. Well, okay, behind there is the hotel. Yeah, that is the hotel. So there's a flag. I'm looking over the other side. Let me point from here so you can see, and I'll show you on the other side. That is a flag I'm looking at, and I'm waiting. You can't imagine, you guys, yani. Look at the street. Tunongoja tu. It's like 10 minutes to time now, and then we see how this goes. Let me ask this guy. Jambo. Sasa mimi nongoja kitu. Sijui kama, are you okay if I can record this?
Yes.
Yeah. So, the last time I was here, they used to kulikuwa na walikuwa wakitoa hapo. And I want to check wanakele ama they don't. Yeah. Okay. He said that it's still the same. At 6 they are going to be putting down the flag, and I'm waiting. You guys, allow me to explain what we're doing here. You've heard me saying that I'm waiting for the flag to be lowered. So this is what happens in Tanzania and probably some other African countries. I'm not sure. In Tanzania, what they do is every 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening, they have to raise the flag and lower the flag. This is the national flag, the Tanzanian national flag. So what they do is they have to blow a whistle when the action begins. They blow a whistle and everybody who is walking around that place has to stop so that they can raise the flag. After they finish raising the flag, they blow another whistle for people to keep on walking. This happens in the morning and in the evening. So what we're waiting right now is the evening action where they're going to be lowering the flag, and we're waiting for them to just blow the whistle and see how this is going to be. So that guy there, that one somewhere there, that one, you know, that is the guy we're waiting for. The 3 minutes countdown begins now. Oh man. It's 6 guys now. He has blown. But it wasn't loud. It wasn't loud. Oh, people are still walking around. There we go. People stopping. Respect, guys. And they have started moving. Yay! I'm happy. We did it. You guys, just allow me to sink into this action that just happened. And people just respect the flag. Man, this reminds me of when we were in Kenya, and you guys, if ungejaribu hata kuongelesha mtu, what I mean is if you would even talk to someone or trying to make a move, even one step, you see, like the guy who was confused there and did not know whether to stop or not, you will never dare do that. Guys, if you have any incident that ever happened to you during the raising or the lowering of the flag back in Kenya, please just comment there. Whatever happened to you? How did you deal with it? You know, those funny moments that would happen during those times. That is what I'm waiting to hear from you guys. Okay, so yeah, tupatane hapo kwa comment section. And let's reminisce those olden days, the Moi era. Nimeongoza. Oh, that feels so good, guys. So good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so let me show you where last time I was walking. It was, let me show you. Just a quick question. So nyinyi mkitoa hii flag, mnapiga firimbi pia? And everyone has to stop as well. Nice. So this is the place we have come to eat. Hey guys. So we've come to have some dinner. There's someone sitting here already. Huh? So this is how you get to know that you're actually in Africa. When you see, let me show you. When you see these two, when you see this, and Mama Yao, you know clearly where you are. Hey, let's enjoy. There we go, guys. I am here. Nimerudi. Yes, guys. Oh, dinner was nice. Let me switch on the light so that we can be able. The lighting is fine. Yeah, that's better. So I just came back, you guys. Dinner was nice, and it's now time to calm down, refresh, and then sleep. So do have a good night and see you tomorrow. Ciao. What up? Good morning, Salaam. Oh, beautiful place.
Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam.
Good morning. See what I'm having? This is what you have when you come to these places. Wow. This is so nice. Oh, man, someone should have told me if you put the lime inside the water, it becomes very tasty. Allow me to say that one of the main reasons why I love African destinations is the food. Food is just one thing that you can't compare with any other continent. Let me just say this here, right and clear. African food is in another level. What's up, guys? This is just a street in Dar es Salaam, somewhere in the city, and I could not help it but feel like I was in Kenya, you know, like in Nairobi, somewhere in the city, in the street, just walking around, and all I could see is that people are more chilled out here, comparing it to Nairobi where people walk so fast. Here was more like people just, you know, just chilled, not in a hurry. Yeah. Hey guys, just got my dairy chocolates. So now going back to the hotel. I hope I don't get lost. Where? Mimi nishaipotea huku pia. Looks like Kenya exactly. And you actually think that you know a place, but you really don't know. So here, I'm trying to, you know, count my steps back so that I don't get lost. Yeah, let's see, let's maneuver around. So I got to a place that looks familiar. There, yeah, and I'm not sure which road I used to come in this way. Probably I was on that side. ama nilikuwa hii side ingine. I'm a little bit confused now. Oh, I remember seeing that guy selling. So, nina huku. Mama yangu.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
Hey you guys, I'm glad, you know what, I saw the flag. I've seen the flag I was looking at. That's the one, somewhere there, I don't know if you can see it. And finally I made it to the hotel. You know, it's very easy to think that you know this place. I'm saying it really looks like Nairobi, yeah? Like it looks like you know this place, but the actual thing is that you don't know. So finally nimepata. I still have some time before the call, the wake up call. And yes, let's go back home now.
Gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes.
Welcome to the Dar es Salaam's new terminal.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Thank you so much for staying until now. We have come to the end of the video and I hope you've subscribed. You guys kindly do subscribe and see you on the next one. Be blessed.
I am running for you.